So we've just installed a new timing belt on a Toyota 3MZ-FE engine, and now we're doing our final checklist, which includes 4 items. The first item that I'd like you to take note is the arrows and the FR. FR, I like to think of it as it stands for fender. You want those arrows out, away from the engine to the fender. Next thing is on your front cam. All right, there's an alignment mark mixed in with the yellow line on the belt itself, and that should line up with that little dimple right there, little recess. Now we're going to go to the rear cam. It's a lot more difficult to see and gauge, so try to get my camera back here. Once again, we got a solid yellow line mixed in with the alignment mark, and like I said, it's really hard to gauge, but there's another mark right up there. And in fact, if you keep on looking, it's actually a little arrow, but you get the basic gist. And down here, look at the crank pulley. Well, where the crank pulley used to be at, right? You'll see there's a dimple on the gear again, mixed in with a dotted line on the belt. All right, dimple and belt. And the top part, I'll zoom out a little bit. You got another dimple with a little knot. So all this stuff's lined up. So now we're gonna do a test. Yeah. With all this pulled, it's supposed to be good. Everything is clear. Let's go and test. Make sure this thing, it'll either run really good or run really bad. Oh, here we go. And of course the battery light's going to be on because the alternator's not going to fall asleep. And because this water pump has no water in it either. But how nice and smooth it runs. And that's all there is to it.